Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I thought you could join me to curl my hat. My very first wig that I ever made, and I'm so proud of her. I love her so much. And she's washed. I blow dried her for the first time. So I thought I would bring you along to curl her. If you want to see that, just keep watching. So I'm going to jump right into it. A little story. So this is my so it looks like sus, like a toy. Okay, it looks, I only bought this out of spite. The saleswoman was trying to sell me this super expensive one. Okay, I'll get it. I'm looking around and I see this one and it's like 3 times less than the one that she's trying to sell me. And I'm like, so what's up with this one? She was like, oh, it's not pretty. That's the only reason why you're not showing me this one? I'll be taking this one, thank you. So I got this one. So whenever I do that, I just kind of hold it for a few seconds and it holds it up there. Just really, really nice. It's really pretty. I don't even have to hold it really for that long. It depends on how loose or tight you want your curls. So this wig has 3.5 bundles in it, 2 bundles of 22, 2 bundles of 20, and a 18-inch is what I ended up getting. But I ended up layering it out anyway and kind of clipping the 22 up to a 20. So I really didn't need a 22. 3.5 bundles in it. This is a 13 by 4 frontal. I lay it by the Got to Be Free spray. It's quicker and it comes off so fast. Like I just spray it with water at the end of the day and it's off. I did bleach my knots. I bleached them like 3 times, I think, just because I didn't really know what I was doing. So then I'd hurry up and take it off because I was so scared I was gonna do it wrong. You know, I don't know what I'm doing. It's my first one, you know, so end up, ruining it. I don't even have to do it as many curls as I'm doing right now. I'm just kind of showing you how I do it. Do you like to have scheduled videos? I think I like the surprise of it. Just trying to see if I need to get into a habit of scheduling them out, giving you a scheduled time that they'll be available or that they'll be up. I know makeup videos really aren't the zhuzh. I like playing in makeup. I don't do drama, I'm sorry. I'm not sorry, but I don't do drama. Soon I'm going to be doing like a full beat that I could do lashes and all of that. And I am a lashes kind of girl. All right, so the curls are all in. So I'm going to start from the ends. Give them a light little brush. The one thing I really do love about wearing a wig is amazing, just because it wasn't my hair, it's not on my head, and I could really, but you still have to take care of it like you would, hair, but it's not your hair, so care of it like you would yours, if that makes any sense. Freedom, but I like having hair, but I don't like having to keep up with it. If you want tips, or especially if your hair is like relaxed, link my sister's channel below. She has a channel all about relaxed hair and she is amazing at it. She's got beautiful, thick, long, healthy, relaxed hair. So she's got the tips for you. I will link her channel below. I even take some tips from her as well. She's the one to tell you how to do it. So I'm gonna link her below. It gives it a nice little loose wave. Oh, is there shedding? Yep. See, now there's one strand after I combed it, and that's it. There's strand 2, just a strand here or there, but not a whole lot. It still feels really soft. You do have to take care of the hair. You have to wash it. You need to condition it. Don't leave it on and sleep in it or do the whole ball cap thing. I do take it off every night. I'll definitely purchase from them again. So yeah, that's the update on it, and that's how it looks. I hope you can see it. that is the video. I hope you enjoyed the curling tutorial. And I hope you liked it. And if you like videos like these, please do comment below and thumbs it up. Subscribe. And until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.